Today we're talking about why Tesla did not get into the S&P 500 this quarter and what to expect from the company going forward, especially with its Battery Day event coming up on September 22nd. So let's get into the video right now. Hey everyone, it's TJ and welcome back to my channel where I teach millennials about money. It's been quite a week for Tesla as well as the stock market as a whole, so let's talk about it. But before we do, if you're a returning visitor to the channel, thanks for coming back. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any other videos just like this one. And you could even press the little notification bell so you're alerted whenever I make a new video. In order to be included on the S&P 500 index, companies need to be US based and included on one of the following US indices: the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, or the CBOE. They must also have a market cap of more than $8.2 billion and report 4 straight quarters of profit according to GAAP. No, not the clothing store, GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. Fun stuff, right? And even if a company meets all these criteria, it does not necessarily mean that they'll be automatically included into the S&P 500. The S&P Dow Jones Indices Index Committee, that's a mouthful, meets every single quarter to determine what companies should go in and out of the S&P 500, but they can be dropped or added at any time. Many analysts thought that Tesla would definitely be included starting this quarter because it finally hit the milestone of 4 straight quarters of profit. But at the same time, as we all know, Tesla can be a little volatile. The price can go up and down and all over the place, and I think it has something to do with the index committee thinking that it was a little too volatile to be let into the index at this time. I think it's pretty much accepted that Tesla will be let in eventually, but right now the committee just pumped the brakes a little bit. Instead, e-commerce site Etsy, automatic test equipment maker Teradyne, and pharmaceutical firm Catalent were let in instead. After all the hype surrounding the Tesla 5-to-1 stock split earlier this month, as well as the speculation that the company might get into the S&P 500 after its 4th quarter of profits were reported back in July, the company's stock plummeted after news that it was snubbed from the S&P 500, in addition to the market hearing that the company was going to be selling $5 billion of shares coming up. Again, this video is just for entertainment purposes, and I don't want anyone to get the wrong idea because I'm not speculating about when Tesla will be allowed into the S&P 500 or the potential business success of any of the areas that Elon's working on. So before you go commenting anything like,
"But TJ, what are you talking about? The stock just went down several percent this week. You must be out of your mind."
just keep in mind I'm reporting research that I've done, and I'm just here as a messenger. Luckily, the church that Elon Musk built made a little bit of a rebound late this week, and I'm pretty sure in the long run, Tesla will be pretty much fine. Of course, everyone knows Tesla for the cars that they make, but they're also in the solar industry, the energy distribution industry, plus they're going to be making several new gigafactories in Berlin and China in addition to their Fremont location as well. And with Battery Day coming up on September 22nd, investors are still optimistic that Elon Musk has something up his sleeve. Breakthroughs in the energy storage business, including the million-mile battery, could be announced at this upcoming event, and it's got everyone on the edge of their seats waiting to see what will be unveiled on the 22nd. Battery Day might not seem like a big deal to the everyday consumer like you and me, but there are some things that are pretty exciting that Tesla's been working on behind the scenes. Everything from a silicon nanowire anode, to a potential manufacturing redesign, to a roadmap to 400 watt-hours inside a battery. To put things into perspective, the Tesla Model 3 currently has a battery that outputs 260 watt-hours per kilogram, and Tesla is pretty close to making a breakthrough that could be a 400 watt-hours per kilogram output instead. This is what Elon Musk says is necessary to achieve battery-powered or electric airplanes. If you've ever been in a Tesla and had someone floor it, just imagine a Tesla Model 3 with 50% more energy density than is currently available, and you'll understand why anything Elon says around this area is pretty big news. And then there's the potential for the million-mile battery. Chinese company CATL has already prepared a unit to run 1.24 million miles, which is just crazy, by the way. I mean, that's just crazy. And CATL just happens to be a battery provider for Tesla. Either way, this is a very big deal, and if Teslas can go 1 million miles before their battery dies, just think about that. Everyone says that 100,000 miles on their car is a lot. Think about 1 million miles. And under the radar, Tesla just applied for its utility license in the UK and is already a big energy provider in Germany. So these are areas of the company that may not be as glamorous, but will have some big upside for the company as an investment. So again, currently, Elon Musk was shut down by the S&P 500 committee, but I'm pretty sure he'll get back up like a phoenix out of the flames. That was stupid. That was really stupid. So even though Tesla was snubbed by the S&P 500 committee this time, I'm pretty sure Elon will be just fine. He's got a lot of things that he's working on, and I think we all agree it's just a matter of time until Tesla is allowed in. I hope you found today's video interesting, everybody. If you did, please hit the like button. It definitely helps out me and the channel. And if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing so you can see other videos just like this one. And I'd love to connect with everybody on Instagram. I post there quite a bit now, so if you'd like to connect, I'll see you over there. Thanks again for watching, everyone. This is TJ Askew, signing off.